Hi, in this video I will show you how to create Google Drive link to share files. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that allows you to store, share and collaborate on files with ease. So let's get started. First, log into your Google account and navigate to your Google Drive. Click on Go to Drive. Once you are logged in, this is the main interface of Google Drive. Now select the file that you want to share. You can also search for that particular file here. Search and Drive. We want to share this PDF file, pdf-file.pdf. So right click on it. From the menu, click on Get Link. Here choose the sharing setting you want for the file. You can decide to make the file public, share it with specific people or keep it private. If you want to share the file with specific people, then you can enter their email address in this Add People and Groups section. Now click on the Copy Link button to copy the link to your clipboard. So click on it, link copied. So this is the link of the drive. You can simply paste the link into an email, chat or any other messaging app to share the file with others. And that's it, you have successfully created a Google Drive link to share files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more technical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.